Hello guys, good morning. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to try to hook Supreme Week 12 in collaboration with Michelle and Ness. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. Ang ipapag-giveaway natin is the Supreme and Nike Air Force 1 Mid in your preferred size and colorway. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa pila. Ayan. Fairly early. And afterwards, we'll go to Bape kasi may reservation tayo doon with Rika Sad. So, tignan niyo naman yung outfit nitong Vietnamese friend ko from head to toe. So, yan. Ganda, no? Well, ayun, nakakuha na tayo ng number and uunahin muna natin yung Medicom Toy and Atmos. Titingnan lang natin kung ano yung mga bagong selections sila doon. And afterwards, we are going to Supreme. Bali, ito pa rin yung selection nila from last time. Nandun pa rin yung mga Bear Bricks na nakita natin, pati itong Oasis and COS figurines. Ito yung pinakabago nila, Bear Brick speaker. May kita nyo itong clear tapos iridescent view sa lahat sa kanila. And nasa tenga yung kanilang speaker. Ayan. Ganda ng pearl white, no? Pati itong salagubang na kulay. Tapos, ito naman yung COS Kachamuku. And ito lang yung mga selection nila from Medicom. Well, that's what they have in Medicom Toy Store. And ngayon naman, nandito tayo sa Atmos. So, of course, meron ditong Puma Palermo and Speedcat. And Tuxedo. Samba. Ayan yung stuff. Si Shimji-san. My new friend here in Atmos. And let's see what's inside. Unang-una na napansin ko is this Halloween release nila. Air Force 1. Kasi may bungo dun sa toe box. Ang ganda, no? Kasing material niya yung nandun sa underlays. And meron din tayo ditong Gore-Tex material na Air Force 1s. Pati itong wheat. Napakaganda talaga ng wheat. Ito pala yung price nila, 18,920 for the more premium Air Force Ones. Meron din ditong Gore-Tex release ng Air Max Thunder. Ayan, dalawa. Black and red. Ganda talaga nito, kaya lang I cannot justify buying kasi mataas ang price. Lalo na Gore-Tex material, mas mataas palalo. Air Max DNs. A bunch of shocks. Air Yumara. Ayan, maganda rin yung undefeated collab nito. As well as the GR release. Ayan pala yung price nila. 23,100 yen. Pati dito sa may kulay na orange swoosh. Tapos blue. Ang ganda, oh. Yung air bubble niya. And ito yung pinakabagong Vomeros. Not a fan of the design, but I heard that it's comfy. Ayan din yung price. Meron ding black. And a bunch of Adidas. Ayan, Superstars. And din yung price. Superstar 82. Classic. Pati yung mga Gore-Tex doon. Itong A6. Nako, sobrang daming gagandang release ng A6 ngayon. Makita nyo yan dito sa Atmos. Tapos, Timberlands. They still have it here. Ito yung lug boots na tinatawag. Ganda rin pamorma. Ayun yung price niya. Medyo steep. Pero quality naman. Umaabot pala sila ng 10 years if i-maintain nyo ng mabuti. So, ayun lang yung mga selections nila dito. Well, that's what they have in Atmos. And ngayon naman pupunta na tayo ng Supreme. By the way, this is the car jacket that they released. And tingnan nyo naman, pang winter talaga. This is Sherpa material. Ayun yung cloth niya, ang ganda. Embroidered din yung Supreme and also the buttons is leather. Woven leather. Ayan, ganda. And this is what they have. Ayan, mga Vietnamese onti lang yung nabili nila. Kasi onti lang naman yung stock. Well, that's what they have in Supreme. And our next stop is Bape and Stussy. In Bape, they have a restock of this Baby Milo tees. And ayan, Baby Milo on ape head. And ito yung nandun sa taas. As for the shirts, ito yung selections nila. Long sleeve tees. Ayan. Maganda yung black. Classic. Kitang-kita nyo naman. And that's Alagon, by the way. Ito naman yung isa pa nilang design for the long sleeve tees. ABC camo green. In white and in black. Long sleeves. Ito rin, short sleeve naman. Ganda, no? As for the jackets, ito yung selections nila. Half and half. They also have the leather puffer jacket right there. And dito sa baba, nandun pa rin yung Liberty Walk na sapatos. And ito yung pinakabago lang Crosta. Ganda. Ito naman yung puffer vests. And ito yung shearling jacket nila or Sherpa jacket. And ito yung mga remaining stuff nila. May mga Burberry din. 1,000%. So that's what they have in the Bape store. Well, that's what they have in Stussy and Bape. And ngayon naman pupunta tayo ng Crocs. So, nandito na tayo sa Crocs. And ito yung mga selections pa rin nila. 7,700 yan pa rin yung slide sa taas. 14,300 yun dito sa baba. Ayan. Naka-sale pala. 10,010? Tama ba? Di ako sure. Oo. 10,010 yen. Pero ito na lang din yung tira. Sobrang limited. Yan yung mga selections natin dito. So, kumuha tayo ng M8 na itong Salehi Crocs Niagara. Parang yung pair ko. And also, they still have the X-Large collaboration. Ito, marami pa to. So, ayan pa rin sila. Ang ganda pa rin ng Jibbitz, pero you need to be wild pag puporma kayo nito. Kasi ako, ang ginawa ko is X-Large apparel lang. So, ayun lang nandito sa Crocs. Ito naman, hindi ko na-feature itong store na to. This is APC. Meron silang collaboration dito with Timex. And ayan yung itsura nila. Gold and in silver. Napakagandang watches. And pakita ko lang yung store. Meron silang mga coat just like this one. Napakaganda ng material. Fan ako ng ganito. Kaya lang wala akong masyadong apparel for that kind of style. Siguro yung suot ko lang ngayon. And ito yung men's section. Mga coat. Ganda. Puro pang winter lang yung release nila since taglamig na dito sa Japan. They have those jackets, yung trucker jackets, and also the tote bag. Ayan, mga leather material. Ang gaganda ng APC. So, bihira lang natin talaga ito ma-feature dito sa vlogs. And meron din silang wallet dun sa kanan. inverted APC dun sa kanina. Ito yung parang type 2 trucker jacket ng Levi's. Tapos may Chinese style din. Ang ganda. This is a collaboration with Mizuno, by the way. APC and Mizuno. So that's their track jacket. This is the ladies section. Ayan, may nagfi-fit. Actually, unisex pala to. Yung ladies is nandun sa kabila. Ito yung aforementioned wallets. And ayan yung mga polos nila. Blazers. Ano pa ba? Yung pants nilang gaganda rin eh. Ito naman yung handbags for the ladies. Jackets, mga crop top, denim pants. Ito, ang ganda. May mga style sila na simple, tapos meron ding style sila na gano'n, yung matingkad yung kulay. Pero lahat naman maganda. So, that was the selections in APC. Hello guys, we're at the pop-up store of Bape here in Takashimaya, and papakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung mga nandito na selections nila. By the way, they have a table here and a set of chairs. They also sell those. And here we have the exclusive ABC Camo hoodies. Ito ata is Maebashi, Bape Kids. Ito yung basta sa Japan to. Ito, one of the provinces in China. Ito, Hangzhou. This is the online store exclusive, bape.com. Ayan, ang gaganda. This one is in Milan. Sobrang rare nito. Dito lang binibenta tong na to, Bape hoodie. This is Qingdao. Sorry kung mispronounce ko yung yung mga places na yon. Ito rin, China. One of China's section. Dito naman is Las Vegas. Ayan. Cool na Las Vegas. Napaka-colorful. Neon lights. This is the Bape shirt. Long sleeves. Crew neck. Embroidered yung kanyang shark head logo dun. Ito yung half and half na shark hoodie. Bomber jacket, of course. Coach jacket, a bathing ape. Puffer jacket. Yung mga old release na shirts. Ayan. Ito, wala nito sa Nagoya kanina. Parang dito ko lang nakita to. Chenille material yung kanyang shark head logo. The WGM or World Gone Mad is in chenille material also. This is the other one. Bomber jacket. Ayan. Regular hoodie. Ito yung anorak ba itong tawag dun? Ito pala yung collaboration na St. Mark's. Ayan. Nag-restock sila dito. They also have the pants. Korea exclusive. I think. Korea ba to? Double hoodie. Correct me lang if I'm wrong dun sa comment section. Ayan. KOR. Shirt. Again. A hoodie. ABC color camo shirts and hoodie. Pati na rin tong crew neck. Ayan. Shirt, hoodie, polo shirt, t-shirt, crew neck, this one, that one, parang pare-pares lang. This is the black eye patch. They've released this, I think, in the summer season. And they've restocked this one. A bathing ape black eye patch handled with care. Ayan. The black colorway. Shark camo hoodie. Ayan, yung kanina. This is the jersey. Long sleeve jersey. They've released this a while ago. They've restocked this here. And ayan yung pants. This is the jersey. Black version. So, ayan lang yun nandito. A bunch of skate stuffs below. Ayan. Babesta. They even have the anti-social social club cross ta ba to? Or sharks ta. Ayan. So, pasensya na kung medyo maano yung lighting. Hindi pala to nalabas sa Nagoya. And ito naman yung kanyang um, anti-social social club heel tap. Ayan. So, ayan yung rose, embroidered. So, the bust yung rose niya. Ayan. Napakaganda. They also restocked this black eye patch shirt. Meron tayo niyan. Ayan. Bunch of shoes. Liberty Walk, they still have it here. This is sold out everywhere. Lalo na tong, ano na to, hoodie. Ito rin, katakana tee. And yung coach jacket. Pero ito marami pa to. Liberty Walk sneakers. Ayan. Men's and women's. ABC camo bag. The mini bag. Yung pang toddler. And this one. Yung backpack. This one also. Ang ganda ng Shark Seijin statue, no? Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman. This one is the Black Eye Patch collaboration. We have that before. And this one, Baby Milo Shark Hoodie Backpack. Velcro hoodie, shirts, pants, and ayun naman yung isang colorway. So that's what we have in the pop-up store of Bathing Ape. Ayan. A Bathing Ape na nakalagay. Hello guys, so bali nandito na tayo sa bahay and i-unveil ko lang yung mga orders ng weekdays and yung in-order natin kanina. So, unang-una dito is this perfume. You Go Energize. This is for Sir Roy. Hindi ko na i-unveil. Tapos, may kinuha tayo sa online. This is the last season tote bag for Sir Victor. Ito yung parang bag ko. Ayan. 3M reflective material. So, this is a tote bag. Napakaganda. Yung nasa loob pala nito is yung kay Sir Jess. Yung kanyang New Era cup. Maglagay nila ako ng picture on screen. And here we have an Iron Man Bear Brick for 100 and 100%. Yung Mark 43. This is for Sir Jello. Ayan. So, hindi ko nabubuksan. Ayan yung laman niya sa loob. Mas maganda kasi yung collector mismo yung nabubukas. And ito naman is yung kay Sir L. Ayan. 400 and 100%. Ito yung nandun sa likod. Hello guys. Ito pala yung order ni Sir L. Yung 1,000% Bear Bricks. So, hindi lang 400 and 100% yung in-order niya. And pag umorder kayo ng 1,000%, ito yung makikita nyo. Ito pala yung chrome version. Meron siyang plastic na nakabalot dito pero tinanggal ko na nandun sa dito. Ayan. Sa bag ko ng Hulken. And this is what he ordered. This is the Mark 85 and ito yung kanyang details. Ang ganda oh. Ito pala yun nandun sa movies. So, maraming salamat kay Sir L dito sa order niya. And proceed na tayo dun sa ibang orders. So, this human-made cap is for Sir Vince. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Medyo kakaiba yung kanyang material. Alam niyo yung parang sa himulmul ng sweater, ganun siya. And dry alls. So, ayan ay adjustable. And meron din siyang freebie dito ng Ziploc bag. Ayan. Tapos may Ziploc bag pa pang cap. Napakagandang caps ng human made. So, lagay lang natin sa loob. Ang next natin is yung mga Air Force Ones na kinuha natin kanina. This is an Air Force One mid in the triple black colorway. Size 10. Yung size 10 ay para kay Mr. Andeo. And bali, just like the usual Nike Air Force One collaboration, ganyan yung box niya. Tapos may red box logo dito. And open lang natin. So, swerte yung mga kumukuha sa atin ng for retail. Magtataas na ako, syempre, pag nagtaas yung prices nila. Pero ngayon, na-manage pa naman. I also sell this for 10,000 pesos. Parehas din ng low, 10K rin. Basta makuha natin ng retail, no? This is the forefoot area. Ayan yung debris. Supreme Nike Air Force 1. This is the lateral side. Ito yung Supreme box logo. Ayan. And this is the medial side. So, ito yung extra lace niya. Black. And meron siyang Supreme box logo din dyan. Hindi halata kasi hindi red. Ito yung heel tab. Ito yung outsole. So, ayun. Maraming salamat kay Mr. Andeo sa kanyang pair. And ito naman, yung next natin is a size 9. Ganun din. Hindi ko niya unveiled. So, this is for Sir Mix. So, si Sir Mix, nagsasell din siya ng mga sapatos. And, ayun, nakilala niya tayo dahil sa mga posts siguro. Friend din kami sa Facebook. Ayan. May nag-order sa kanya ng size 9 ng Air Force 1 mid. So, ayun. Napakaswerte nila. And last but not the least, we have a pair of Supreme Air Force 1 lows for Sir Martin. White on whites, tawag dito. And ito yung forefoot area. Yun yung Dubrey or lace locks. This is the lateral side. Supreme box logo as you can see. Ito yung medial side. Japan tag of course since dito release yan sa Japan. And may extra lace siya na Supreme red. And kanyang insole is this one. Ayan. Box logo. Ganun din yung isa. Hindi ko lang mapakita kasi sobrang liit ng entrada. Hindi mapakita sa camera. Ito naman yung outsole. So, having said that, guys, maraming salamat sa mga nag-order ng Air Force 1. This is the flashlight. So, Supreme flashlight. Ang ganda. As indicated, ito ay lightweight USB Type-C charging. And red light and red flash. Lifetime limited warranty, 2 years, free repair. Ayan. Hindi ko na rin bubuksan. Gusto ko si Sir Jules yung nagbubukas nito kasi addict siya sa Supreme. Gusto niya lahat pristine yung condition. So, maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Jules. For Sir Jeboy, siya yung nag-order ng Hanes Boxers dito. And this is what he ordered for boxer briefs. Ayan, size M. And ito pala yung conversion niya sa likod. You can pause the video para, kung gusto niyo bumili, you can message me. Tignan niyo lang yung chart dito sa likod. So, maraming salamat kay Sir Jeboy. Sa Bape naman, meron tayo ditong bag for Ma'am Princess. ABC Camo Shark Mini Bag, blue and pink. Nandito na yan. So, hindi ko na i-unveil. Ayan siya. Blue and pink, may strap yan sa gilid para siyang mini sling bag. Yung ating VIP client na si Sir Yehel, nagpa-reserve siya ng pink and black cap. Pakita ko na din sa inyo. Ito yung black. Ayan. Embroidered yung ape head logo, pati na rin yung Bape sa likod. Adjustable din. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Meron din siyang cap clip dito na kasama. So, ang instruction nito is nandun sa likod niya. Ayan. Wait lang . So, ganyan pala siya gamitin. And balik lang natin dito sa kanyang packaging. Ito naman yung pink. Hindi naman siya pink na pink. Para siyang salmon. Ayan. So, yun yung ape head logo. Ito ko yung kanyang embroidery sa likod. Ito yung kanyang adjustable strap. And of course, may cap clip din siya. Para, easy to manage. Kung hindi nyo alam kung saan lalagay yung yung caps ninyo. So, ayun. Napakagandang mga, sombrero. Simple lang. Hindi kailangan ng mga additional designs. So, basta ape head lang siya. Next up is we have a fluffy jacket for Ma'am Phoebes. Ito, yung in-order natin kanina, napakamahal nito, grabe. Knowing Bape, yung mga gantong klaseng apparel nila is worth at least 60,000 yen. Yun yung pinakamababa. Pero, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Grabe. Masarap to sa winter. Yung material niya napakasarap eh. Hindi siya yung klase ng material na pipitsugin lang. Bali, ito yung in-order ni Ma'am Phoebes. This is the ano ba to? Parang siyang horsehair material. So, this is the faux fur jacket. Ayan. Ang ganda. Kitang-kita niyo naman yung quality. This is worth 66,000 yen in retail. So, nagpa-order pa siya ng isa. And meron siyang emblem dito. Ayan. In gold. A bathing ape. So, ayan, meron din siyang gold accessory dito. A bathing ape, size L, ayan. Iba yung tag niya kaysa dun sa usual na vape. Maraming salamat kay Ma'am Phoebes. And next na tayo, guys. So, our next one would be for Sir Ronel. So, si Sir Ronel, nagpa-hook siya ng Sharkstar US11 in the white colorway. Ito yung first time na may nag-order sa atin itong particular pair na ito. And this is a size 11. Ayan, size ni Sir. Ito yung box niya. Meron siyang dalawang precautions dito. Main precautions, ayan. In a variety of languages. Dust bag, of course. Lahat ng mga vapes na may ganyan. Lahat ng sapatos ng vape na ganyan. Pwede na lang dun sa mga Adidas collab, I think. Iba yung kanilang dust bag. So, this is the white pair. Ganda. This is actually an older design that they've retroed. And ayun, ito yung kanyang features. Ito yung forefoot area. Ayan yung kanyang debray. This is the lateral side with the shark head logo. Ayan. So, kung papansinin nyo, pag pinagtabi nyo siya, magpo-form siya ng shark head. Ayan. Kita nyo? Ito pala yung medial side. And yung kanyang heel tab is this one, WGM. So, ito pala yung WGM na to. Ito yung kanilang parang slogan. Ayun, World Gone Mad. Ibig sabihin yan. Countless times ko nang sinabi sa vlog. And, ayun, yung insole niya, regular Vapesta. Ayan. And yung kanyang aglets is silver. Metallic. Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung quality ng Vapesta na ito. And this is the outsole. Ayun. Maraming salamat pala kay Sir Ronel dito sa order niya na ito. And proceed na tayo dun sa next order. So, si Sir Yahel nagpa-order nitong a bathing ape. Ayan, Nagoya exclusive. This is the design. Ayan. So, maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Yahel, ang ating VIP client. Meron din tayong VIP client dito, si Sir J.E. Si Sir J.E. ay collector ng mga ABC Camo Shark hoodies. And ito yung mga napakuha natin kay Rika-san. Una-una yung Nagoya exclusive. Ayan. Ito yung itsura niya. Ito pala yung shark head logo. Nagoya. Ayan. This, hindi ko alam. Pero, ayan. Papakita ko lang. I think this is Maebashi. I'm just thinking Pero, ayan. Size XL, 55,000 yen. Ito yung kanyang design. Ito naman, Osaka. This is the design. Mas matingkad siya dun sa usual na green camo ng vape. Ayan. So, next up is this one. 55,000 yen. Ayan. Lahat sila 55,000 yen. Napakalaki rin ng ginastos natin dito. Kaya, ayun. Ang hirap din minsan pag nauubusan ng funds. Kaya kailangan kumuha tayo ng capital dun sa 9 to 5 work natin. Which is napakahirap. Pero ang mas gusto ko is mag-shop for you guys. Ayan. So, this is the last one. So, si Sir J.E. plan niya kompletuhin yung 44 designs nito. Pero as of now, yun palang mapapakita ko. Grabe. So, maraming salamat ulit kay Sir J.E. Napakatagal na nating customer yan ng vape hoodies. So, ayun. I'll just unveil another set of orders. First off, we have here GU Undercover collaboration. This is for Sir Kopagi. And this is the GU Undercover Loafer. There you go, in his size 28 centimeters. The next one is for Sir Ronel. This is a Bathing Ape slide. First camo slide sandals, it says here. And this came from Sneaker Dunk, by the way. This is the retail price, 8,800 yen, as you can see right there. The colorway is ABC Camo Yellow, and it came from Sneaker Dunk. It has an authentication card here, as you can see. It It also has this verified authentic tag right here on the left pair. So this is the forefoot area, this is the lateral side, this is the medial side, this is the outsole, and this is the footbed. It kind of reminds me of the Yeezy slides. I don't know why Bape keeps on copying other designs. They can just make their own, just like the Sharks does and the Cross does. So again, thank you for Sir Ronel regarding his order. And he also bought the Salehi Bumbury slides. This is called the Manta, the newest colorway of the Salehi Crocs. And in this size, men's 10, equivalent to women's 12. It actually came from Mita Sneakers, and this is the price. So, we are fortunate to get this newest colorway of the Salehis. And of course, just like the other colorways, it kind of reminds me of the Niagara colorway. So this has a bluish color to it, or greenish, I might say. And this is the forefoot area. This is the lateral side. So this is the medial side with the Japanese tag. This is the footbed. This is the heel tab. And this is the outsole. So thank you so much for Sir Ronel. Next one is this puffy jacket. I'll just show a picture on the screen. And this is for Ma'am Phoebes. There you go. And also this one, this is for Sir Jason. I wouldn't open it since it's ready to ship. After this video, I need to prepare all of this for shipments. I'll just show you a picture on the screen. This is a size large, and it came from the Stussy online store. And of course, we have this lollipop tee for Sir Andy. It has been revealed before. And Sir Yahel, a bunch of Jordan Supreme shirts. This one in XL. This one in M. This one in M in black. This one in XL. There you go. So that's basically it, and let's go to the outro. And this is the end of our video, and I just want to thank all of you guys, sa lahat ng mga subscribers, sa viewers, sa lahat ng sumusuporta and mga nanonood. I also want to thank my family, my friends, and my best friend, my wife. And this is me signing out. Bye-bye.